Hello, in this video I will show you what could be one of the causes if you have a problem with the steering column function control module on your Mercedes C-Class W204. One of the causes could be a blown fuse, so here in the video we will show you the location of the fuses for the steering column function control module. Before I show you the location of the fuses, first I'm going to show you how to test the fuses. I'll show you how to test the fuses using a test light and a multimeter. First I'll show you with a test light. So in order to test the fuses with a test light, we need to turn the ignition on. This is the test light that I'm going to be using. You need to put the other end of the cable onto battery negative or chassis ground. In my case I'm going to put it on battery negative. So these are the fuses that I'm going to be testing. On each side of the fuse there is a pin that we need to touch with the test light, and if they should both light up. If one of them lights up, the other one doesn't light up, that means fuse is blown. If they both light up, that means the fuse is good. Next we're going to test fuses with a multimeter, if they are good or bad. This is what the fuse looks like, and this is the contact in the middle that connects to the two pins. If the contact is connected, that means the fuse is good. If it's burnt, that means there is an open circuit on the fuse and fuse is blown. So in order to check the fuses, we need to measure their resistance. So we turn the multimeter on to 20k ohms and we'll start measuring. When measuring the resistance of the fuses, the resistance has to be very close to zero. First we'll check the resistance of the two cables. It has to be zero as well. And now we'll start testing the fuses. If it shows something close to zero, fuse is good. If it doesn't show anything, that means fuse is blown off. If it shows a lot of resistance, also fuse is not good. The first one showed 0, the second one also shows 0 ohms, the third one shows 0 ohms, and the fourth one shows open circuit. It doesn't show any ohms, nothing is changing. That means this fuse is blown. Now we'll see what the condition of the fuse is visually. We can see that the contact in the middle is not connected to the two pins, so that's why it doesn't show any resistance, because it's an open circuit. Next we'll show you the location of all the main fuse boxes for this Mercedes C-Class W204 model. There are three main fuse boxes on this car. One of them is in the engine bay area, the other one is in the fascia, and third one is in the loading area. First I'll show you the location of the fuse box in the engine bay area. It's located on the left side next to the brake fluid tank, underneath this plastic cover. You need to unclip the plastic cover and lift it up, and that's the fuse box right there. The second fuse box is in the fascia, just left of the dashboard. You need to remove this plastic cover, and then you see the fuse box behind it. The third fuse box is in the loading area. It's on the right hand side. Right there you need to pull this handle, and that's the fuse box right there. Next I'll show you the service manual with all the fuse boxes on this Mercedes W204 model. We can see there is one in the engine bay, one in the fascia, in the load area 1, which I showed you, and load area 2. We can see there is a fuse box in the load area 1 for the up to 2009 and after 2009 model. The two fuse boxes are the same, just in the 2009 and newer models. There is 3 more fuses which are not in the up to 2009 year model. And on the left we can see all the fuses in those fuse boxes. In the search tab we're going to type steering column function control module, and to show us all the fuses for it, we can see there is only one fuse for it, and it's located in the engine bay fuse box, and the fuse there is F13 7.5 amp fuse. Hopefully the video is helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.